Chapter 3 Coordinate Geometry Part 2. Now we will see plotting a point in the plane of its coordinates are given. Plotting, how to plot the point in the plane if its coordinates are given. Okay, so see the problem. Locate the points 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, minus 5, minus 3, 5, minus 3, minus 5, 5, minus 3 and 6, 1 in the Cartesian plane. So you know Cartesian plane, this is Cartesian plane. Draw xx dash, yy dash, then 1, 2, 3. This is positive. Always right side positive, above positive, below negative, left side negative. Easily we can remember. Here. Now we have to plot one by one. See 5, 0. First order 5, 0 means 5 is x coordinate. X coordinate you have to see in the x axis 5. Y coordinate is 0. So 5, 0 this point only. So always remember that any point on the x axis then y will be 0. Y will be 0 means the point is on the x axis. Clear? So 5, 0. This point is 5, 0. Right, 5, 0. Okay. The next 0, 5. X is 0. Here x is 0. Y is 5. So this 5, 0, 5. First 0, then 5. 0, 5. X is 0. Y is 5. So that then x coordinate is 0. Then the point lies on the y axis. Always remember. Then 2, 5. In x, where is 2 here? 5. Here 5. So this draw perpendicular, here draw perpendicular, this point. This point is 2, 5. The same way 5, 2. X coordinate, x axis 5 here, y axis 2 here. Draw perpendicular. Draw perpendicular line. The graph easily you can do. You try to do in the graph. Okay. That is first write x coordinate. Okay, 5. X coordinate this distance. Y coordinate this distance. That is 2. Here 2. Okay. 5, 2. You do this one in the graph so that easily you can get the points, correct point. Minus 3, 5. X axis minus 3 here. Then 5, y axis 5 is here. Draw. Draw perpendicular. You no need to draw this line. For the time being you draw. Clear? The graph easily you can plot the points. For the time being you draw. Minus 3, 5. This point is minus 3, 5. Then minus 3, minus 5. Then minus 3 here, minus 5 here. X axis minus 3. Y axis minus 5. This point. Minus 3, minus 5. 5, minus 3. 5 is this point. X axis 5 you take. Y axis minus 3. You take minus 3. This point is five, minus 3. 5, minus 3. And 6, 1. X axis 6. Y axis 1. Y axis 1 here. Draw 6, 1. This point. comma 1. 6 comma 1. So like this, easily you can plot the points. Okay. So very simple one. Okay, do in the graph and paste it in the classwork. Do take the graph sheet and draw the graph and plot the points. Plot the points. Draw the x-axis and y-axis and plot the points. Clear? Always remember that any point on the y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. Any point on the x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Clear? So plot the points on the graph, then you paste it in the classwork. Okay? So we will see exercise 3.3. First problem. In which quadrant or on which axis each of the points lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So before that you should remember these points, that is both coordinate positive, means that is first quadrant. Both coordinate positive means it is first quadrant. This one is second quadrant. Okay, negative, x is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive in second quadrant. Third quadrant, both negative. X negative, y also negative. Both coordinate negative means third quadrant. Then positive, negative. X is positive, y is negative, y is below. Negative means that is fourth quadrant. So always you have to remember, that is basic concepts. Here you have to remember. Now any point lies on x-axis. Any point lies on x-axis is y equal to 0. So any point, if you have any point on the x-axis, then y will be 0. Okay. Any point lies on y-axis, then x will be 0. Now you see what is the first point? First point is negative, positive. Negative minus 2, 4. Negative first, positive means negative, positive, second quadrant. This is second quadrant. Here you can verify also. By plotting you can verify. You see minus 2, 4. Minus 2 is here. 4 is x. X is minus 2. Y is 4 means this point. Here. So it is the point, this minus 2 and 4 lies on second quadrant. Then 3 comma minus 1. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. You see positive, positive, negative. Fourth quadrant. You see x is 3. X is 3. Y is minus 1. X is 3. Y is minus 1 here. X is 3. Y is minus 1. This point. Okay. 3 comma minus 1. This is fourth quadrant. Here. Then minus 1 comma 0. X is minus 1 comma 0. Y is 0. Y is 0 means this point lies on x axis. When y coordinate 0, then the point lies on x axis. Okay. So minus 1, 0. Here you see. The point is lies on x axis. Then 1 comma 2. 1 is here. X is 1. Y is 2. So this. So both are positive. Both are positive means it is first quadrant. It is first quadrant. Clear? Then minus 3, minus 5. Minus 3, minus 5. Minus 3 is here. Minus 5 is y. First x axis minus 3. Y axis minus 5. Y axis minus 5. So the point is here. So this is lies on third quadrant. Both are negative. Both negative means third quadrant. Here. So you have to remember these points means easily you can write. Now you can write the answer. Minus 2 comma 4. Minus 2 comma 4 is second quadrant. Lies in the second quadrant. Three comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Fourth quadrant. Lies in the fourth quadrant. Minus 1 comma 0 lies on x axis. It lies on the x-axis. 1, 2, first one lies in the first quadrant. -3, -5 lies in the third quadrant. Okay, like this you have to write the answer correctly. Okay, this is very important questions. Okay, they may ask in 3 marks or 4 marks. Clear? So next problem, second problem is plot the points x, y given in the following table as points on the plane, choosing suitable units of distances on the axis. The x is given, y is given. Okay, that is -2, 8. You take the point as what? -2, 8. X coordinate. This is x coordinate. This is y coordinate. It is given in the tabular column. Instead of points, it is given in the tabular column. You can make it as a point. -2, 8. So -2. X is -2 here. X is -2 here. Then 8 is here. The graph you can do correctly. Okay. This is -2, 8. Always x coordinate first you write, then y coordinate. Then -1, 7. -1 is here. 7 is here. So this point. -1, 7. This point. -1, 7. Okay. 0, -1.25 means you can make it as -1.3. Okay. After decimal, last digit 5 more than 5 means you can add 1 with the previous digit. That is, you can make it as -1.3. So that you can easily plot the points. In the graph, you have what? 10. 1 unit is 10 small divisions. Okay. 1 small unit is 1. You take then 2, like that you have to take. That is minus 1.3. -1.3. X-axis x-axis is 0. X-axis is 0. Y-axis -1.3. Y-axis -1 here. So 10 small divisions. Here you have 10 small divisions. So you take it 1 to third one. You take it. Okay, x is 0. Y is -1.3. This is -0, -1.3. So the point lies on the y-axis. So x coordinate 0. Then -1.3. You take it as -1.25. Take it as -1.3. -1.3. Then 1, 3. Easily you can plot 1 here, 3 is here. X-axis 1. X coordinate always you take x-axis. Then y coordinate you take y-axis 3. Then both intersection point, that is 1, 3. Then 3 -1. X is 3, y is -1 here. So 3, -1. So like this easily you can plot. You plot the points on the graph. Then you paste it in the classwork. Okay, it will be easy. Write the problem in the classwork. Then draw the graph, that is x-axis, y-axis, drawing the graph sheet. Then plot the points. Then okay, you paste it. The classwork. You see, this is very important problem. Okay, in 4 marks examination point of view, very important. In examination, they may ask this type of questions only 4 marks. Plot the following points in a graph sheet and join them. Also name the figure. After joining, you have to name the figure. Okay, very important. So first we will plot the points. -4, 0. -4. X-axis -4 here. Y is 0. So y is 0 means the point lies on the x-axis. So -4 you have to mark it. 0, 6. X is 0 means the point lies on the y-axis. So 6 you have to mark it. This is minus 4 comma 0. You can name it A. You can name it A. Okay. 0 comma 6. You can name it B. 0 comma 6. Then 4 comma 0. X is 4. Means y is 0 means lies on the x axis. At 4 you mark it. That is C. 4 comma 0. And 0 comma minus 6. 0 comma minus 6 is here. Mark it here. 0 comma minus 6. Then all the points you should join. Point to point correctly you join. A to B join. Then B to C. Then C to D. This name it D. Correctly point to point join. Then A to D. If you join means you see the figure. What is the name of this figure? ABCD is a rhombus. It is rhombus. Okay, diagonals are not same, but all sides are equal. All sides are equal, but diagonals are not same. Clear? Perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. Diagonals are perpendicular. So ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. So after joining like this, you have to name the figure. Sometimes they may ask parallelogram, okay, then rectangle, trapezium, okay. That is depends on of course the points, how the points you are plotting and joining the points. Clear? You will get some even quadrilateral also sometimes you will get. Okay. So very important questions. So same type of problems I will give it as homework. You do the homework for better practice.